Hi, Josh here with PharmacistTips.com. I'm going to show you the True Metrix air meter today. Um, right here in the box, included with the True Metrix air, of course, is the meter, the instruction manual. You get a logbook, the quick start guide, a rebate form, and then you get the storage pouch right here. It gives you a place to store your meter. If I can open it. Just a spot for your meter, your lancet device, test strips, as well as extra lancets there. Comes with a few lancets to get you started. It comes with a clear cap for alternate site testing if you don't want to test on your fingertip. It's not as accurate when you test in alternate sites, but it is more comfortable for those people who have find discomfort from fingertip testing, as well as the lancet device. Now this is ready to go right out of the box. All you have to do, of course, is buy some test strips. The test strips, the TrueMetrix test strips, are the same test strips you use for the TrueMetrix Go meter, as well as the regular TrueMetrix. The TrueMetrix Air just has the advantage that it can connect with your smart device using the app and keep track of your blood sugar readings. But to do a test, you can just insert a test strip and wait for it to prompt. Right there, it's prompting us for a drop of blood, so it's ready to test. On the lancet device, you just remove the top. Go ahead and put in a lancet. Remove the circular portion that's going to expose the needle or what's going to poke your finger. Replace that. And then it has a depth setting, 1 to 5. I usually put it in about the 3 range, but you can adjust it to your comfort level. It's spring loaded. You pull on this to load the spring. You put it where you want to lance. You put it on there and push the button. Right there is our drop of blood. And to do the test, just going to have that wick right up into the test strip. And then we wait for our reading. (100) right there. So pretty simple. And then you can press the eject button to remove the test strip. So for some further settings, of course, you can hold down on the middle button. There are 3 buttons on there. When we hold down, then it has the middle and then the side-to-side buttons. That's how you adjust your time. So you can set it to your local time. Press the middle button to go on to the next one. Then you can set your minutes. Press the middle button again, and you can set your date. There's the day of the month and the month, then year. And then this would allow Bluetooth to be on. And this setting allows you to code your reading, as whether it's before meals, after exercise, if you're not feeling well, if you think the medication may have affected your reading, and if you want to flag it for some other reading, we can turn that on just using the arrow button, then press the middle button. And then it has an option to set alarms to go off during the day to remind you that it's time to take a test. You can leave those. I'm just going to leave those off so we can alarm 1, 2. There we go. So we've got that set. So now we can do a reading again, showing we can code it. Same procedure. Take a test strip out, make sure you remove the cap, wash your hands with warm soapy water and thoroughly dry. Wait till it prompts you. Put in a new lancet. And take the old one and put it into that top we removed to make it easier to remove there. Put a new one, twist that off, find the cap, place that. And we'll try a different finger here. Oop, there we go. Same procedure. Now you don't apply it to the test strip. You allow the sample to wick up into the test strip, just like that. Okay, 112. So it is a different finger. That reading was a little bit different, but that's within the normal allowable range. Now if I press the arrow button, I can code that as to when that was. I just ate recently, so I would code that as after eating. Makes that reading a little more meaningful when I go to look back at my readings. And then I can press the eject to remove the strip and it turns off. You can turn it on then to look at your memory. Right there's my 7-day average. I can 14-day average. I can look at individual readings. And you notice the Bluetooth is on. I'll put together a separate video to show you how to pair that with your device. And it's not necessary. It's simply an added feature. So you can download those readings onto your smart device to look at them. Go ahead and ask any questions in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them for you about this meter. Appreciate you watching these videos. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks again.